The cross line tool will drop a horizontal and vertical line at the exact same point in one click. Perfect crosshair and a very easy setup. Here's how to use it on TradingView. Head over to the left toolbar once you open a chart. Go to where it says Trend Tools. Click here, then head over down to cross line. Now let's use it to mark a swing high. There's multiple use cases for the cross line. One that we just did, you can use it to mark a swing high or swing low, so you have both the level and the date visible. You can use it on the candle you entered a trade on, use it on a gap day or an earnings reaction bar. Now, double click on any line to start styling it and change the settings. Let's head over to Style. You can now deselect or select the price label and the time label, change the color by clicking here, change the line style, thickness, and opacity, and even go to coordinates to manually change where your crossline center is at. And you can head over to visibility to see what time frame you want it to be visible on. Now say you're looking on a weekly chart, you can drop a cross line at a major pivot, switch to daily, and the line will still stay anchored exactly straight at the part where you selected. Now, this is a great permanent reference across time frames. Have a great day, guys.